Shopping.
How much does this cost?
It costs $10.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
Can I try this on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
What size do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Do you have this in another color?
We have it in blue and black.
Where is the cash register?
It's near the exit.
Can I get a receipt?
Of course, here's your receipt.
Do you offer a warranty?
Yes, 1-year warranty.
Is there a discount for students?
Yes, 10% off with student ID.
How can I pay?
You can pay by cash or card.
Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, join for points.
Can you gift wrap this?
Sure, for an extra fee.
Do you have a size chart?
Yes, it's on the wall.
Is this item in stock?
Yes, we have it in the back.
Can I order it online?
Yes, visit our website.
How long does delivery take?
Usually 3-5 business days.
Do you have a return policy?
Yes, 30 days with receipt.
Can I exchange this?
Yes, within 30 days.
Is this organic?
Yes, it's certified organic.
Do you have gluten-free options?
Yes, look at the label.
What is the price per kilogram?
It's $5 per kilogram.
Do you have a discount for bulk?
Yes, 15% off for 10 kilograms.
Can I use a coupon?
Sure, enter code SAVE10.
Is there a fitting room?
Yes, right behind the dresses.
Do you have a kids section?
Yes, on the second floor.
Can I try a sample?
Sure, here's a free sample.
Do you have a restroom?
Yes, near the entrance.
Is this item waterproof?
Yes, it's fully waterproof.
Do you have a warranty card?
Yes, it's included.
Can I pay in installments?
Sure, 3 monthly payments.
Do you have a price match?
Yes, we match lower prices.
Is this item on clearance?
Yes, heavily discounted.
Do you have a gift card?
Yes, $25 gift cards are available.
Can I reserve this item?
Sure, we can hold it for you.
Do you have a loyalty discount?
Yes, 5% for members.
Is this product vegan?
Yes, it's 100% vegan.
Do you have a size for toddlers?
Yes, sizes 2-4 years.
Can I get a bag?
Sure, here's a shopping bag.
Do you have a price tag?
Yes, it's on the shelf.
Is this item recyclable?
Yes, it's recyclable.
Do you have a sale today?
Yes, many items are 30% off.
Can I pay with Apple Pay?
Yes, we accept Apple Pay.
Do you have a fitting assistant?
Yes, ask for help.
Is this the latest model?
Yes, released this year.
Do you have a discount for seniors?
Yes, 12% off with ID.
Can I get a price check?
Sure, let me verify.
Do you have a parking lot?
Yes, free parking.
Is there a loyalty card?
Yes, you can sign up.
Do you have a seasonal sale?
Yes, summer sale now.
Can I use a gift receipt?
Yes, for exchanges.
Do you have a store map?
Yes, at the entrance.
Is this item on backorder?
No, it's in stock.
Do you have a price scanner?
Yes, you can scan here.
Can I get a discount for cash?
Yes, 5% off cash.
Do you have a kids discount?
Yes, 10% off for kids.
Is this product hypoallergenic?
Yes, suitable for sensitive skin.
Do you have a loyalty app?
Yes, download our app.
Can I get a price match guarantee?
Yes, we guarantee it.
Do you have a personal shopper?
Yes, ask at the desk.
Is this item limited edition?
Yes, only 100 made.
Do you have a return receipt?
Yes, here's the form.
Can I pay with Google Pay?
Yes, we accept Google Pay.
Do you have a gift wrapping station?
Sure, near the checkout.
Is this item refillable?
Yes, you can refill it.
Do you have a price list?
Yes, it's on the wall.
Can I get a discount for military?
Yes, 15% off with ID.
Do you have a size for infants?
Yes, newborn size.
Is this product cruelty-free?
Yes, no animal testing.
Do you have store credit?
Yes, you can get credit.
Can I try the headphones?
Sure, plug them in.
Do you have a loyalty points balance?
Yes, check online.
Is this item tax-free?
No, tax applies.
Do you have a discount for teachers?
Yes, 10% off with ID.
Can I get a rain check?
Sure, we'll notify you.
Do you have a fitting mirror?
Yes, right beside the rack.
Is this product fragrance-free?
Yes, unscented.
Do you have a discount for bulk purchase?
Yes, 20% off over 20 units.
Can I use a store card?
Sure, you can apply.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, password is on the sign.
Is this item on back-to-school sale?
Yes, special price.
Do you have a kids' play area?
Yes, near the toy section.
Can I get a loyalty discount today?
Sure, scan your card.
Do you have a price guarantee?
Yes, 30 days.
Is this product biodegradable?
Yes, it breaks down.
Do you have a free sample?
Yes, take one.
Can I pay with a check?
No, we only accept card or cash.
Do you have a discount for first-time shoppers?
Yes, 5% off.
Is this item made locally?
Yes, made in Vietnam.
Do you have a return window?
Yes, 30 days.
Can I get a discount for paying in cash?
Yes, 5% off.
Do you have a size for plus size?
Yes, up to XXL.
Is this product flame retardant?
Yes, safe for fire.
Do you have a loyalty program sign up?
Yes, fill this form.
Can I use a discount code?
Sure, enter at checkout.
Do you have a seasonal clearance?
Yes, ending soon.
Is this item eligible for free shipping?
Yes, over $50.
Do you have a price comparison app?
Yes, download ours.
Can I get a gift receipt?
Sure, here it is.
Thanks for watching.